Is my audio on? Hello? Okay. My audio is on. Okay, let's get started. Ah, okay, you're welcome, Mr. Ismail from Lagos. I'm coming, please. I'm trying to share the link. Okay. Yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's episode. Okay, beautiful morning. I'm coming. Okay. So, morning to you, everybody. This is Diamond Aridoh, and welcome to this live session. As you are joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop the location where you're joining us from and your name. Let's get to know each other. Okay. So now, okay, we don't really have much to do. Like, there's always much to do, but at the same time, we all know about the routine. So whereby I'll just go through all the peers I have on my watch list. Let's see if we have an opportunity lined up already, or the ones that we already have running, or the ones that is about to, probably hit TP or something like that. So after going through all the watch lists I have on my peers, After going through all the pairs I have on my watch list. Yay, after going through all the pairs I have on my watch list, then if you have any pair you want me to also look into, I can look into that pair for us, and then everybody can actually learn together. Also, our mentorship class will resume today. We've started, so but we are going to resume our mentorship class today. So for my students, for our current students who are already in the mentorship, we should be having our class today, both the private and the group mentorship. Okay, so now we have AUD that was called yesterday is still playing around the entry. You guys can see it on your screen right now. AUD is still playing around the entry. Remember, my own trade management rule is set and forget. So there's nothing to be monitoring, there's no stop loss to be moved, there's nothing to be done. It's just set and forget. So USDPY is in drawdown. USDPY is in drawdown. But like I said, nothing to be done. Nothing. Before we enter a trade, we already know that okay, this is what we want to risk, and then it is set and forget. It's either this money, it's either the market take it or it gave us double of it. So that's the business. Okay, so let's now quickly run through all the pairs we have on our watch list again. So anybody that has different pairs that wants me to look into, come on, let's do that, you know. So let's quickly go through them. AUD is still at the entry. GBP nothing serious. It messed up yesterday, but still nothing serious. Okay, here we have USDJPY is still in drawdown. Gold, this is what I was anticipating on gold yesterday, but you know, as gold will do its own thing. It is people that are using lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes. They'll be cashing opportunity on gold very well. But I will not, because of gold, now say I want to start looking into lower time frame. No, I'd rather not trade gold than trade other pairs. And if gold want me to trade it, gold has to play with, like, it has to dance to my tune of the simple concept. Okay, GJ, like that, if we miss this trade, and we are waiting for another opportunity to cook itself. CHFJPY, we are still waiting patiently. We are still waiting. Let me extend it further. We are still waiting for this guy to come and activate for us. We are still waiting for this guy to come and activate for us. So CHFJPY is still very much active. BTC, yeah, I'm seeing something nice on BTC actually on a sell trend. Just like easily you can spot when you see a simple concept. I can see a pure manipulation here, and I also saw break of structure that is not valid yet. Of course, I can decide to use this as a break of structure. So, but I'll prefer to use this lower one. Yes, it took out this high, this low, high, low. No, this is high, low, another high, another low. Okay, so another high, but this one, like, it was an inducement, so for confirmation we need it to break below. If it breaks below, then we are going to be looking out for our inducement, but our break of structure is yet to happen. So moving on to the next one, nothing serious on this. Moving on to AUDJPY. AUDJPY is coming to our entry. Guy, You're supposed to be the one to be singing, joy is coming, joy is coming, winning is coming. So AUDJPY, we are anticipating. Okay, GBP card. I don't think there's any setup yet on GBP card. Yeah, I'm not seeing. I can see, pattern, but I cannot see the simple concept. Because all this movement, I see no inefficiency. Everything here is efficient, so it's a trap. Okay, I'd like to talk about this. Yesterday I talked about this. US oil. We have our simple concept complete here, so we're waiting for this market to tap here and then deliver. Ladies and gentlemen, joy is coming, joy is coming. Ladies and gentlemen, so we are waiting for US oil. We are waiting for US oil, so that you are looking at on your screen right now. US oil. We're waiting for US oil. We're waiting for, what pair are we waiting for again? We're waiting for AUDJPY. We're waiting for CHFJPY. We're waiting for US oil. Those are the already cooked pairs. So I'm waiting for that. So moving on. Let me know if you guys can hear me clearly, and you can see me, and make sure you smash the like button. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section, so I can know that, just like yesterday, that I've been talking, man, only for me to discover that internet has cut off. So as I was saying, US oil, joy is coming. So waiting for that on US oil. After that, nothing serious. This guy smashed TP for us and then moved to the upside. And this time around, that's one thing about simple concept. Though these things, it works more than the time it fails. That's why I'm sticking to it. This market is on an uptrend. If you look at it from higher time frame perspective, but it doesn't mean it will not fulfill sell concept. When we see a buy concept, we'll take it, but I see a clear sell concept here, and it played out, and that is why I don't usually do long TP like that. You can see putting our stop loss at point of invalidation, and you can see the way it smashed the TP and move on. Anyways, that's all we have for now, ladies and gentlemen. AUDJPY is still playing around. So for me, I'm sticking to this trade regardless. I'm sticking to this trade. I'm sticking. No shaking. One love, no shaking. I'm sticking to that trade. I'm sticking to all of the trade I am in. Nothing serious. This one too is doing as if it wants to come up. Nothing serious. Okay. $9:30. It's almost near London session. London kill zone, like they will call it. Okay. So any questions so far? I think I've run through all my peers. So let me know if there's any question. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ashalu. So now let me know if there's any question. If there's any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. If there's no question, you can drop the pair. Maybe you have a pair you want me to look into. Kindly drop the pair. Remember to drop your name and location, and remember to also smash the like button. It is absolutely free. Okay, so right now, what pairs are we waiting for? We are waiting for CHFJPY. We are waiting for US oil. Oh, US oil almost activate. We are waiting for US oil. Can you just come up a bit and activate for us? We're waiting for USO. We're waiting for AUDJPY. Why so done for me, I beg? Okay. So we are waiting for US oil, which is almost activating for us. We are waiting for AUDJPY. That one is still a little bit far. And we are waiting for CHFJPY. Those are the three setups that we are waiting for. BTC is yet to properly cook. Okay, so those are the pair we are waiting for, except for the ones we are in already. We are in this, is in drawdown. We are in this, is in drawdown. Okay, so but as it is like this, I know they shake. Like I know certainly that okay, if this market is going to actually this week so far, I've not had a good trade. Maybe because I've not settled. I'm just settling down. Maybe because I've been moving around, traveling, but I know we are going to smile at the end of this week. So no shaking, one love. I'll wait for this. I'm optimistic. Mr. JC, I greet you specially, sir. I greet my guy specially. Welcome, sir. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. So, like, I am fully active now. Like, I'm fully on seat. So, mentorship class resumes immediately. Like, we're starting a mentorship class immediately today. So, after this live session now, we'll start our class back for those ones that are ready. Okay, for people that are ready, that's I'm talking to the private student now, but for the group okay, after this I'll make my decision if you're having our class immediately or we're having it later in the night. Hey, Willem Mutetwa, where you guys dey now? Where you been dey? I is South Africa. You're in Cape Town. As you dey come, smash like button. It is free. Oh, I told you guys, it's free. Oh, I told you. I wish this trade will just activate for us. Make this thing just play out nicely in front of us. May it just play out like that, like that. Has this page been swept? Okay. Anything where you want to do, maybe do. Anything where you want to do, maybe do. I know the market will still later move. And if our analysis is right, it's going to reward us. And that our analysis is mostly always right. So, no shaking, one love. Waiting for this. I'm waiting for this. USO, come and activate for us. You are doing well. Okay. Yeah. I talked about it yesterday. The USDJPY. I talked about it yesterday. Maybe when I was talking about it was when the internet was doing rubbish. I will explain it in detail when we are doing our mentorship class anyway. I said this is it. This trade right here, after tapping here, I was waiting for confirmation. If not, we'll have taken this trade. I was waiting for confirmation because our point of invalidation is still below here, so I cannot just place a trade there and put my stop loss here. So I needed a confirmation. So now after the market taps here, I needed to change character. So which I don't like to call all those names. I'll just call it break of structure. So I needed to change character, which is break structure to the upside. So which it did here. After breaking a structure to the upside, I want it to quickly come and retest immediately, just like the way it break it now. To just come and do something like this. Sorry, I'm expecting it to just do something like this. Break out this guy, retest it, and then continue to the upside. So but the error was that after breaking out, he went ahead to take an inducement. That's what I'll be explaining in the mentorship. He went ahead to take an inducement, which the inducement is this high here. After taking this inducement, the only thing that will make this market to buy back is for you to take another inducement. But there's no inducement here. The only inducement here is this low. So after taking out this low, if he has any reason to now go up, it will go up. But even after taking out this low, you can see it's still playing around. But I got into this trade. I explained the reason why I got into this trade yesterday now, of course, because we are still in the POI, and then this market has not fulfilled what it needs to fulfill, because I'm anticipating a long time buy on USDJPY, long time buy at this level it is. That's if his head is correct, yo. If his head is correct, without going to say he wants to come and get here, because I see no reason why the market will come here. So obviously this is where we have our simple concept origin. So, and our point of invalidation is here, which I see no reason why market will want to come down here. But so from here, I'm expecting a long time buy, which if you look at 4 hours time frame now, it's looking like it's rejecting. But market usually will do one thing. Market might still come down to take out this low. Why? Because it's an inducement. It will come and take out this low. After taking out that low, you now see it going up. So everything that is doing here, because I know what is likely to happen, I know they shake. You guys forget this trade. This trade took like 1 week for it to play out. This was when? This was Monday 24th of March. This was when it hit TP. Another Monday. So no shaking, one love, my brother and sister. In as much as we have covered our point of invalidation, to say we didn't cover point of invalidation, I might be like, what happened? No. Oh, USO, you're doing well. Just come and activate for us and swim us in profit and TP. So I hope you understand my explanation on that area. Okay. So now, Mr. Mutetwa, what's up with you? You've been gentle all this while. We have resumed. I need you guys to be active with me back. We need to make this Forex money together, baby. So that's that about that. Any question? If there's no question, can any one of us suggest a pair that is not on my watch list now, so that we can quickly look at it together? Maybe suggest any pair that you know that I don't have it on my watch list. Maybe we can look at it together. After which, we can now call it a day. My internet better make sense, so get your ear to pay. My internet. But this one that I'm seeing poor connection better become an excellent. Okay, I'm just studying this internet. I want it to actually improve. So if there's no question, if there's no suggestion, we might call it a day. But if you have anything you want me to look at, quickly let me know right now. Okay, the way the internet is doing, I think I'm going to end the live stream. It's been acting up again just like yesterday. It's been acting up. Okay, so since I'm not getting any recommendation. Oh, maybe everybody's looking at this US oil. Look at it very well. I've gotten to a stage that simple concept. I'm not the fear if market is coming aggressive like this anymore, especially when I've covered point of invalidation. Look at how this one to come aggressive. Got here, change. Look at how this one to get aggressive. Got here, it change. I've had a series of experience with this US oil itself that it later played out nicely. So let's just forget it. Let it come. Not shaking one love. Okay, so I'll be anticipating CHFDPY too. Too. So guys, let's call it a day from here. Network is not encouraging me to stay. I don't know if you want to enter USJPY. I don't know. So I don't know, but this one is what I'm anticipating right now. US oil is what I'm anticipating right now. Okay, so guys, see you guys. Of course, I'll keep you updated about this trade. Just stay put, keep winning. So if you want to join our mentorship that is going on, let me quickly put that up. Let me put that up. Wait. Yeah, I know the internet is not very nice, but at least wait, so you get to see this. You get to see this. Like, you get to see this. Coming up. Coming up, coming up, coming up. Oh, interesting. You guys seeing right now? You guys seeing that right now? Our mentorship is still very on and it's still very, very affordable. That's the best price you can see with bunch of value. That's the best price you can see with bunch of value. Right now, you can see our group mentorship just $50 one-on-one, which I usually recommend. That is the best. Unless if you don't have the money, it's only when you should go for group mentorship. But if you have the money, one-on-one is the best. That's what helped me too. That was what helped me too. So, and the one-on-one, the price for that one-on-one, I've never seen any one-on-one that is that affordable. And guess what? By the grace of God, you get more value than the money you pay. So this is the money some people pay for group mentorship from other. I've paid like this too before. Now show you the 1 minute. I've even paid more than that for group mentorship. So, but at least, thank God for today. So that's that about that. Our mentorship has started. The class have started already, and I've talked about what we are covering. Maybe I need to read it out loud for you guys that you are with me right now to hear. Okay. So we are going to be covering topics like structure, trend, violation, liquidity, general liquidity, inducement liquidity, point of interest, what validates a setup and what invalidates that setup, right placement of our SL and TP. That's when I'm talking about point of validation and point of invalidation. How to use time frames, how to put everything I'm teaching you together, and how to simplify it and make it turn into simple concepts. Then we now talk about risk management, we talk about trade management, and to cap our class, we are going to talk about psychology. So those are the things that actually help me too. So everything that helped me is what I'm bringing to the table. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. See you guys tomorrow. Any question? There's no question. Slide into my DM right now and make sure you also join the mentorship. Okay? See you guys tomorrow.